What's going on, y'all? It's JDog713 coming at you with a new video, new car I got. It's Infiniti Q60 3.0 twin turbo. It's just the S Sport. It's not the red Sport, it's just the regular S Sport. As you can see, it came in the platinum silver. Got the 19-inch wheels with the Brembo style brake calipers. And right now, I took out the stock exhaust and I'm putting in some GReddy exhaust. It goes from 2.5 to 3 inch. Oh shit. But I wanted to do this video to do a comparison on the exhaust and why it's important to have bigger exhaust for the turbos. As you can see, there's the stock exhaust. And here's the GReddy exhaust. GReddy exhaust. It's 3 inches from the X pipe. From the X pipe back, it's 3 inches. And then it converts. From the cats, it's 2.5. It goes 2.5. Then to right here, the middle of the X pipe. Then it goes 3 inches. 3 inches. Looks really nice. So you come over here, you look at the stock exhaust. The stock exhaust is a fucking joke. It's like maybe like an 1.7/8, I would say. 1.7/8. 1.7/8. Comes over here to 2.5 inch intermediate pipe. Still, it goes out 1.7/8. All the way up here to it's 2.5. I believe it's 2 inches. 2 inches. And then after the muffler it goes 2.5 to the tailpipe. That's pathetic. So that's the reason why I'm upgrading my exhaust. If you got any questions, like, subscribe to the videos to my channel. The other channel I had was the other videos I had was for 2011 Genesis Coupe, and I did a bunch of things to that car. Alright, I'll do a couple more videos about how the exhaust sounds afterwards. I did one with the exhaust before, with the stock, and I'll have to do a video with it afterwards, do some test runs. Alright.